Hi friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide following list on TikTok. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store. If you are using iPhone, then you have to open your App Store and simply tap on search bar and search here TikTok. So make sure you have an updated version of TikTok. Go back and open your TikTok application as well. After opening that, tap on this profile icon here, and here you can see I following 20 people, so you can hide from there. Simply tap on three bars here. After that, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on this privacy option. After that, scroll down and here you will see the following list. Tap on that and tap on only me. In this way, no anyone can see my following list. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe me, ask me anything in the comment section. Thanks for watching.